Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room, and this is a product review. You see this little mini keyboard? I showed you the unboxing. It's fairly nice. Touchpad. I can choose 3 different colors for it to backlight the keys. It's not as big as the keyboard I was using, but then I couldn't hold it in my hand and go like this. The only problem with it is the keys are so small. Actually, chiclets, remember the little gums in the box? They're bigger than these keys. Mini chiclet? No. No, mini chiclets are really, really small. Anyway, so I have to slow down. When I'm talking with Emma and my friends at her live stream Wednesdays, this will slow me down. But it does work. And for $8, $8, okay, you get the little dongle that plugs into your USB port. That's plugged in. You know, it's big as my fingertip there. Nickel, lithium-ion battery, rechargeable. And the cord is here somewhere. I know the cord is here. I know it's in the computer room. Anyway, short little cord for recharging it. It doesn't seem to want to work through the cord for control. But $8, small, you can hold it in your hand. Not bad at all.